Up to this point, I've only been using the center camera image, but now it might be helpful to use side camera images for training too. Using the side camera images carries two benefits. One, it's simply more data. In fact, it's 3 times as much data. The other benefit is that using these images will help teach the network how to steer back to the center if the vehicle starts drifting off to the side. Let's look at the left image. This image is a little off to the left side of the road, but it's paired with a steering measurement of 0. That's because when this image was taken, the center of the vehicle really was in the center of the road. So how do I use this image? Basically, I want to train the network to steer a little harder to the right whenever the network sees an image like this. I'll do this by taking the actual steering measurement, which in this case is 0, and adding a small correction factor to it. I could actually draw out a model and use trigonometry and physics to calculate an optimal correction factor, but I'm just going to be lazy and try a correction factor of 0.2. Similarly, for the right camera image, I'm going to train the network to steer a little harder to the left. I'll do that by subtracting the correction factor from the actual steering measurement whenever I use a right camera image. I implement this by looping through the first 3 tokens of each line in the CSV file, and I use these to load each camera image into the images array. Then I add 3 measurements to the measurements array corresponding to each image I just added. Now I should have 3 times as much data and my model should perform better. Let's see. It looks like the model is indeed training on 3 times as many camera images. I'm excited to see how well this drives. Ooh, it looks like it drives worse. It's just pulling to the left.